What are 3 ways you can make money online without any investment? In today's video, you're going to find out exactly what they are and how you can use them to make money from home. Hello, I'm Lydia, and on this channel we talk about freelancing, making money online, and growing that beautiful business of yours from scratch. If you're interested in those topics, make sure to subscribe below. So in today's video, we're going to talk about what are the ways that you can make money online and start making money online without even having to invest a penny. And the first way to make money online without any investment is something that I talk about a lot on my YouTube channel, which is freelancing. And I'm going to tell you a little bit about freelancing and where you can start selling your services to make money. So to become a freelancer or start selling your services online, you must have a certain skill or be willing to learn a certain skill from free tutorials online. And right now I'm going to talk a little bit more specifically about selling your services as a freelancer on Fiverr, because that doesn't require you to have your own website, doesn't require you to pay any social media managers to grow your account or invest a lot of time in getting traffic to your website that then will turn into clients. So I'm talking about Fiverr because Fiverr is a platform that you can sell your services online and become known on that platform just by using certain strategies and investing time and effort into creating your gigs and everything else, but you do not need to invest anything. So once you have a certain skill, you can open up a Fiverr account and start listing your gigs. I have certain videos about this topic and selling on Fiverr and how to make your first sales, so be sure to check out the playlist below to learn more about selling on Fiverr. So here's how this is going to happen. You're going to create an account on Fiverr.com and you're going to start listing your gigs in the expertise that you want to sell services in. Next, people are going to message you or buy your gigs directly, and you'll be able to take out your money every 2 weeks once a gig is completed. So once the gig is completed, the client has got it, they're happy with your work and they have left a review for you, then in 2 weeks you'll be able to receive those money into your Fiverr account and then withdraw them to your account on PayPal or on your bank card. Now, growing on Fiverr is not that difficult if you know what you're doing and you present your services in a way that people are interested in them and they're interested in your work and they can see the value in your work. Even if you haven't worked with people before, if you're good at what you do, you need to learn how to present that in a great way in your gig, in your video presentation, in the photos, in the gig description, and everything else. All of these are things I'm going to talk more about in future videos, so be sure to subscribe for that. So growing isn't that hard, but it takes work. It takes work to decide what you want to sell. It takes work to answer those first messages, to maybe discount those first prices so you can get clients. But ultimately, once your Fiverr account grows, more and more clients are going to come to you and you will make more money. I personally have sold on Fiverr twice. The first time I opened a Fiverr account for social media services and I sold Instagram management services, Instagram product tagging services, and it was great for me, but then I decided to start my own website and invest in that. So this is why I quit Fiverr, not because it wasn't working. And then the second time I opened another Fiverr account after I closed that one, and I sold product photography and videography gigs. So I was helping businesses put together visuals for their products on their websites or on Amazon or anywhere that they were selling their products. Fiverr is really good money if you learn how to do it, and once you get to those upper levels, you can become a Fiverr pro seller and charge even more for your services. On Fiverr, your gigs can start with $5 per gig, but they can go up to $1,000 if you're a level 1 seller or level 2 seller. And once you are a Fiverr pro seller, you can charge even more for your services and work with bigger clients. So working on Fiverr is a great opportunity for somebody who wants to become a freelancer and especially work from home and start their own business. I really suggest watching more tutorials on my channel about this topic if you want to start Fiverr. And now the second way to start making money without any investment is to start an Etsy shop and sell digital prints. I'm talking about selling digital prints on Etsy and not physical products, because physical products include manufacturing, maybe fabrics, purchasing the components and everything else, and those require an investment. But for digital products, you can literally just use Canva and your knowledge to be able to create amazing graphics, amazing prints. And what I'm talking about is creating digital goods that have knowledge and value put into them so that you can sell them on Etsy. So if you're not familiar with Etsy, Etsy is a platform that allows you to sell anything from handmade products to products that you've designed but somebody else manufactured. And it is a great opportunity for sellers to find your shop and your products if you learn how to use Etsy SEO right and promote your shop. But again, Etsy is great because people already come come to Etsy to search for certain products. So all you need to do to grow your shop and make sales is learn how to use SEO on Etsy and how to get your product to the top by getting sales, favorites to your product, and everything else. So it is not impossible for somebody to make an income on Etsy without any investment. Now you might be wondering, okay, but what kind of digital products can I be selling on Etsy? So on Etsy you can sell digital products such as prints for your home, planners, photographs you've taken and you have the rights of, anything that your hands created and that you can turn into a digital product, even Lightroom presets, mobile presets. Those are things that you can sell digitally on Etsy without any investment. Now, one thing you might want to know is that Etsy does charge you for every listing that you make, but it is only 20 cents per listing. And basically, obviously, you will need to pay that at some point if you make 100 listings and you don't have any sales. But in my experience, I've started an Etsy shop, I've listed products, and they didn't ask me to pay anything for a few months really, because the sales that were coming in were already covering that pricing and I didn't need pay money from my own bank account to pay that bill. So it was without any investment that I started making money on Etsy. And why? Because I gave in my time and effort, and I really put an effort into promoting my products on Etsy in Etsy themes, which is also something that I'm going to be talking more about in future videos. If you're interested in that, make sure to click the subscribe button. Quite honestly, the best thing about selling digital products on Etsy is that you can create the product once and it can be sold thousands of times, making you money without even doing anything but take care of customer service and maybe promoting your shop. But what I'm saying is you put effort into designing a product once, you list it on your Etsy shop, and then it can be sold thousands of times without you having to put any more effort into that specific product, which I think is a great opportunity for passive income. So if you're interested in that, give Etsy a shot. And now the third and last way that I'm going to be talking about in making money online without any investment is selling on Etsy, but not digital prints, but physical products, POD products, printed on demand. So what I'm talking about is using a website such as Printify or Printful. You add your designs to those products and then you list them automatically in your Etsy shop. You don't have to pay for manufacturing, you don't have to pay for shipping. The client will pay for shipping if you set it up in your Etsy shop. But the thing is that you create a product with Printify, for example, let's say a t-shirt. You go and put your design in Printify. They tell you that the manufacturing costs $6, but you have the possibility of selling that product for $13. That means that out of that sale, you will be making $7 without having to ship the product yourself. Printify will take care of that. Without having to manufacture the actual t-shirt, you're just putting your design on it, they print it, send it to the customer, you get your fee and they get theirs. And it is all done automatically, which is the best part. So if you have really great design ideas for t-shirts, mugs, any gifts that you can be selling on Etsy that are printed, that can be printed on demand, I suggest this for you because it's an awesome way to make money online without any investment. So there you go. These are 3 ways that you can start making money online today without any investment, without having to invest in manufacturing, without having to invest in anything. If you take the time to really learn and observe what's going on and learn Etsy, learn Fiverr, you'll be able to make money in these ways in a few weeks. And then maybe in a few months or even a year, you can make this your full-time job if you give it the time and effort and really put in the work. So again, stay tuned on my channel because more videos are coming, more tutorials, and I'm also going to share a few secrets here and there on how I grew my income on these platforms as a complete beginner. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Let me know in the comments below which way do you think is the best to make money online without investment, and if you've tried any of these. You can also follow me on Instagram at lydia.incomingsuccess and TikTok as well, where I post informational videos, fun videos, and tutorials on growing online. Thank you so much for being here, and I will see you in my next video.